Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tyler Kramer with Tyler Kramer Productions. Look what we just got in the mail. Let's open this baby up. Inside the box, we have another box. And this thing is heavy. It says it weighs 22 pounds. So let's see. I guess I'm a retard. It's a pretty cool box. If you want to come look at the box closer. Looks like it has a silhouette of an alien head on it and some kind of beehive design on it, and on the top it has some planets and such. Inside the second box looks like there's another box. Holy shit. I'm freaking out here. Alright. In this box looks like we have a mouse pad. Pretty big mouse pad. It's pretty flexible. Open it up, see what it's made out of. Seems to be made out of a hard plastic coating and then a rubber bottom. An Alienware hat, which I probably won't wear because I'll look like a nerd. I like my hat better. Should I wear it? No. The leather-bound manual with the resource DVD, I guess. It's pretty nice. It's leather kind of feel. The monster freaking power charger. Look at this thing. This thing weighs at least a couple pounds by itself. So, yeah. Here's the cable to plug it in. An Alienware sticker. It's a nice sticker. I didn't think it was this thick. It's more of a raised sticker. You want to come a little closer? This thing, I think this is for a sound plug-in. I'm not positive on that though. What is this? Product identifier. Oh, for my Windows Home Office. Alright. Windows 7 Premium. Alright, let's put all this back in here and get to what you've all been waiting for. Or what I've been waiting for, I guess. Alright, what just fell down over there? Alright, we're alright. It was just some plastic. My glasses that I paid $160 for. Alright. Well, can you see me? Alright. Holy smokes, this thing is heavy. Okay, zoom in. Come over here. It's got a nice material. People say it feels like velvet. Feel that? I don't think it feels like velvet. It kind of feels like a suede, kind of like if you were wearing yoga shorts or yoga pants or whatever those are. That's kind of what it feels like. It kind of feels naughty undressing this thing. Feels like feels like you're taking his pants off, but oh man. Here it is. Holy smoke. If you guys want to come over here, see the bottom. This thing is huge. There we go. We got the customized plate with my name. Intel Core i7 Extreme. Here's some 4 vents here. A little bit of Alienware writing on the battery on the back. I don't know how to open it. I think it's like this. Holy smokes. This thing is huge. Come over on this side. You can come around. Yeah. It feels like a sort of metally plastic with some dotted rubber here for holding it, I guess. And then it's got a black alien head on there. On the front, it has a nice sort of hard plasticky feel. The keyboard feels nice. The 2 buttons here are a different material than everything else. And yeah, I guess we can go. It has 2 more fans on the front that look like Alienized. So we have those 2 fans there. On this side, it looks like we have I don't know what that is. I think it's a external hard drive. I might be wrong though. It looks like we have a SD card slot, 2 USBs, an HDMI input, and an HDMI output. On the back, we have the power cord and some more of those fans. Then on the left side, we have looks like a lock hole, wireless or your internet hookup, VGA hookup, HDMI output. Not sure about that. And 2 more USB and 2 headphone jacks, a microphone jack, and another cord. I don't know. I'm not as nerdy as you guys might think. Alright, let's turn this bad boy on. Because I'm turned on, that's for sure, right now. On the top, it looks like there's metal, but it's not. I think it's just a hard plastic. And then it has the input keys. It looks like you can kind of leave a fingerprint, but then it goes away, so that's alright. Turn it on. Let's turn the lights off, see if we can see this better. Just let it start up for the first time. So that thing looks amazing. Bring it over closer. The alien head's blinking yellow. We got the Astral Aqua on there. Let's see. The alien head on the front lights up. Man, this thing is nice. So yeah, I can read the specs off to you guys real quick. Intel Core i7 2920XM overclocked at 4 MHz processor, 16 GB dual channel DDR3 at 1600 MHz of RAM, dual 2 GB GDDR5 AMD Radeon HD 6 graphics card, 1 TB Radeon 7200 RPM solid state hybrid. Yeah, that's about it. Windows 7 Home Premium. Yeah, so we'll get this all set up, and then I'll do another video for you guys of my final thoughts of it and all. So far, I think it's really good. I guess it went to sleep right there because I closed it, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Keep checking back for more videos. Thank you.